Hi guys, it's been a hot minute again. I'm sorry it took so long for me to start doing my unboxing again, but we're having a lot of construction done at our house. But now, hopefully we're all done for now. We have AC. I hope the AC is not bothering you too much, but it's been super hot, so I do need it on. So anyway, let's get into the May Sew Sampler box. I received it a little late. They did send an, Fat Quarter Shop sent an email out saying that it won't be out on the usual time, which is on the 20th of each month. But it was delayed because they were waiting for one item. I don't know which item it was, but anyway, let's get into it. So it says Bobbin for Apples, May 2019 box. Okay, and hand-picked offer for you. It says free pie ruler with any $30 plus purchase, $12.98 value. So that's a nice freebie for us to use. And let's get right into it. This is a Clover fork pin. Fine pins with diameter of 0.56 millimeter. There's 35 pins in here. I love the Clover brand, and their notions are really good. So I'm excited that this is in the box. So it's like getting two pins in one, because it is, as you can see, it is two with a little bend. So that's good. It'll keep things nicely in place. Second item is, oh, let me bring out the, okay, I'm not gonna look at this, but I'm just gonna give you the values. So the value of this is $8.98. So the Clover pins, fork pins, are $8.98. Okay, the next item is Maison Francais. So it's French, and it is 40 assorted needles in this nice case. It looks very French. I usually don't do too many hand sewing, but it's nice that it's all in one place, and it's really nice. I do like it. And it's in French, and it says on the top, if you can see, it says what it is for: embroidery, tapestry, straw, darning, and sharps. And the bottom is the size, the point size, I believe. And you can see the tapestry has the very long eyes. So anyway, that's really nice to have. And it's a really pretty container. Anyway, I'll put it together later. So 40 superior quality needles, and the price for that is, it is valued at $11.98. In the description, I'll put the link of where you can get the box and the price and what the value of the box is. Okay, it's cost $24.95. So already with those two, we're at the price of the box. So this is triangles on a roll. It makes a 7-inch finished block, half square triangles. So it's from the Fat Quarter Shop. It's designed for them. So it's probably has something to do with our pattern. So this cost, the retail value is $10.98. It's okay. I usually like marking my own fabrics and doing the half square triangles, but it's alright. So this is the block for this month, Apple Crisp quilt pattern. I like how scrappy it is. So what's in your box? The fabric and the 7-inch half square triangle paper. So we do need it for our pattern. We also need 1 7/8 yards of background, 5/8 yard binding, and 3 yards of backing. And finishing kits are available, so we can pick it up from Fat Quarter Shop. So it's really pretty. The finished size is 42.5 by 56.5. So it's really nice. I like it. Okay. And this is our new monthly subscription pattern. It's called Goodness Grows, designed by Corey Yoder. It's block number 2. And it looks like a applique. So here's the applique patterns. So I guess this is the actual size. So that's pretty nice. The finished branch measures 15.5 by 15.5. So it tells you we need to cut 8 of the, I guess like the, I don't know what that is, the decoration on the outside, and the strawberry tops and the strawberry bodies. So it's pretty cute. Block number 2. And here is our fabric for this month. So let me open it up so we can take a look at it together. So it looks like it's Moda, and it's Orchard by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics. Okay, so let's, and it is, oh, I didn't tell you, sorry, I didn't tell you the prices of the patterns. So the Goodness Grows pattern retails at $4.98, and the Apple Crisp retails for $9.98. So $9.98, $4.98. Okay, and the fabric, we're getting Fat 8th bundle, and it retails for $19.98. So as you can see, I'm liking it. Pretty floral on a dark navy background. Apples, pears on a white background. And cherries, super cute. Same thing, fruits on a green background. Pretty small flowers on a red background. Cherries on a mint background. Red and white gingham plaid. I like that. Leaves on a dark green background. Here is a beige. Flowers on a white background. And this is the same thing, the fruits on a mint background. So these are super cute. I'm happy to get these. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and again, I'll put all the link below and how much everything cost, as usual. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna load up a lot of unboxing today, trying to catch up. Okay, thanks again. Bye.